Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm COCO, and today I'm going to share with you guys a new company that I found that I'm very excited to share with you. You know, here we're all about looking and feeling fabulous effortlessly and affordably. And one thing I know that hinders me from feeling as fabulous as I could feel is the boob area. Yes, the tatas. We also want to keep them, you know, happy. As a member of the IBTC, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about because I always tell you I'm a proud member of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee. Wearing backless tops or anything that's super strappy or even strapless can sometimes make you feel like, did I go through puberty? Did that happen? And we all want to feel, you know, sexy. We want to feel like a woman. And unfortunately, there are some things that we attribute as a society to feeling and being more womanly. Don't fret, honey, okay? We're gonna keep these little girls. We're gonna bring them up and turn them into women, okay? Boob tape. I know. Boob tape. Now, back in college, there were times where I would wear like a strappy dress or a strapless backless dress, and I would literally be in my dorm room with a piece of paper towel and some scotch tape trying to keep the girls up. And sometimes it would work. However, the takedown process, bloody murder. My gosh, it was so painful. Enter boob tape. Honey, put the scotch tape and the duct tape away. Stop that. Don't do that to yourself. And use boob tape. So this company that I'm going to share with you guys is called Nueboo. Like new boobs or new boobs boo. But Nueboo is all about helping women feel more confident. Their tagline is actually confidence is sexy, which I believe confidence is the #1 sexiest attribute that anybody can have. So I'm going to show you guys how I use their boob tape as well as their chest pad. So we're going to get into this, we're going to get into these, and we're going to help ourselves feel and look better effortlessly, painlessly, and affordably. Okay? And of course, we want to shout out Nueboo for sponsoring today's video. We appreciate you. Okay, so I've changed into this low cut strapless backless number, and this is what we're working with so far. This is cool, but as you can see, there's some separation. We're, you know, at a regular level where we want to be, you know, awake and lifted. So all you're gonna need is a paper towel, or you can use a regular towel as well, a pair of scissors, and your Nueboo boob tape. Now I have it in chocolate here. It comes in vanilla, chocolate, and black, which I love because you have different options depending on what you're wearing. And this is great because since it's so close to my skin color, if my Nueboo tape happens to peek out because I didn't cut it exactly right for the outfit that I'm wearing, it's not so bad. It camouflages. So love that for us, and I hope they start to make more colors and more skin tone related colors. I think that's actually really dope. What I also love about the Nueboo tape is that it is 2 inches wide and 16 feet long. So you can unroll, unroll, unroll. You pretty much have a whole roll to use for the summer. So absolutely love that. Now before you apply, you want to make sure the area is completely dry and free of any moisture. So no lotion, no oils, no sweat, no nothing. So we're going to pat dry, and then we're going to cut to the shape or length that we desire for this top. Because it is spaghetti strap and backless, I am actually going to cut a piece that will go around and under and around again to lift together. So I'm going to measure out pretty much from one end to the next. And what's awesome is the Nueboo tape actually has these grid lines in the back. So we're going to cut according to the grid line as well. So we're going to measure, and we're going to cut just right about here. Now we're just going to cut along that grid line. super duper easy. And that way, if you needed 2 pieces, if you're going to cut them straight down, then you can just use 1 piece to measure again. So I'm going to try to apply this without getting forever banned from YouTube. And it's really simple. We're just going to peel off the grid paper from the back of the tape. I've already patted my skin, but you definitely want to pat your skin before you're ready to apply the tape. As I mentioned, I'm going to peel off the grid paper from the back of the tape. And the tape is super duper stretchy too, so you can pull and tug on it. As you can see, super duper stretchy. So I'm going to start applying the tape in the corner at the highest point, and then I'm going to guide it across where I need it, lifting whatever needs to be lifting, kind of guiding my boobs along the way. And then I'm going to tape it down. And I do have some extra tape, which I can just go ahead and I can just cut off. And then if you want, you can use your extra tape as like extra hold right in the middle. And voila. Them things is sitting, girl. Them things is sitting. We have cleavage, honey. Yes, we do. Yes. And you can't at all tell. You cannot see the tape. Can't tell. I don't have like bra lines. It's still completely backless. And if I need to adjust, I can adjust with another piece of tape if I wanted to. I can adjust the tape. It's secure. It's gonna stay for the remainder of the day. I am dry, so it's like sweat proof. Look at that. Now, another really cool thing about Nueboo is they've actually come out with a chest pad. So this is the Anti-Wrinkle Silicone chest pad, which is actually really cool. So it looks like this. It's clear. And it's 3 easy steps to silky smooth skin. So now we're not just, you know, making the chest look good, but we're also making it feel good and also making sure that it is healthy and wrinkle free. What more can a girl ask for? So all you need to do is make sure that your chest is absolutely clean. So you want to do this after you shower, but you want to make sure it's dry. So again, no lotions, no oils, no nothing. Then you're going to peel the patch from its film and position it in place onto your chest. You can actually use this chest pad up to 30 times. You just wash it a little bit with soap and water, let it dry, put it back on its film, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna open mine up, pull it out of the film, and it's super nice. It's nice and super thick. Just gonna peel it off just like this. Woo. You're just gonna place it right just like this with the skinny side between your breasts. And this is medical grade silicone. It's supposed to help with wrinkles caused by side sleeping and by sun exposure, which we all probably have both of those things. Just gonna make sure that when you're wearing your low cut shirts and strapless dresses or tops with your Nueboo boob tape, that your chest looks as good as can be. So it doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. It doesn't feel super sticky. It's super easy to put on, and it's super easy to take off too. You don't feel any pain or anything like that. And like I said, it helps reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. You can wear this while you sleep, so you can put it on and just take it off in the morning. It increases collagen production and skin elasticity. It is basically like a mask for your skin. So the same way you do your face mask and your whole beauty routine, honey, got one for the boobs too. We want to show them love and affection as well. So we want them to look good and feel good inside and out as well. So love that Nueboo has this option available for us so that we can get rid of those wrinkles and fine lines and our boobs can look and feel younger, even though we're getting older. And again, discount code will be in the description box below. I really love that boob tape like this gives women other options for the pieces that they want to wear. You know, we want to be backless, we want to be strapless, but we want to look and feel good and sexy and confident as well. And boob tape definitely does that, as you can definitely see a clear difference. I love it. I think it looks good. It feels good. It's super easy and effortless. I'm hoping that they come out with more skin tone colors because I think that's a really, really, really huge bonus. But we look good, we feel good. There will be a link in my description box as well as a coupon code for you guys, because you know, anytime I make a cute coin, I make sure you save a cute coin. So get you some boob tape. We're going strapless, we're going backless, we're going everything this summer. This works for my 32C itty bitty titties. So I am sure it will work for you, especially if you are, if you have a larger chest. I think this is a great just help, especially if you're into wearing tops that are low cut or backless. This is super supportive. It's something that you can just easily put on. You can put on as much or as little as you want to kind of have the control that you want, and you can give yourself a nice look. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you get the boob tape and how it works for you. Alright? Thank you, Nueboo, again for sponsoring this video. Again, all links and coupon codes in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.